Hi, so this is day 5 of the development of the super fast Quasi-3D Lattice Boltzmann Method solver. So here we've got our test application. I'm going to bring in a model that I've just quickly put together in Revit. And rather than manually creating the slices, the 2D slices, I'm going to just use a generator that I quickly hooked up to help me save a bit of time. But you can see it's cutting 12 slices, 6 in horizontal or XY plane and 6 in the vertical or XZ plane. Now, to get a baseline of the memory usage, you can see there we're kind of at 280 megabytes of RAM of memory being used. So keep that in mind, because we're going to see what these 12 sections or slices are going to do to our memory resources. And you'll be quite surprised. We also place a timer there. I do increase the speed of the video sometimes to save you from watching paint dry, but that timer is going to show us what's happening in real time. And you can see already there the memory running quite low, so very resource efficient. And then we can see the residuals there on the left bottom of the screen being displayed as we run through the simulation. We can switch on and off these slices whenever we want to, just for visual purposes. And again, this is just a test app. This is no final product. This is just a proof of concept and testing out the engine. There's a bit more work that needs to be done, and I'll talk you through it, but currently it's working extremely well. You can already see that we're speeding this up a bit, but the memory usage is quite low, so we're peaking at about 395 megabytes, which means we've got it down to 10 megabytes per slice. That's virtually nothing. It's making no difference on the resources impact on my computer. And it's just so efficient and fast, and we can rotate and view the model in real time. It doesn't produce any lag or nothing, and we can see the model is converging now, so roughly about 1 minute and 50 seconds, and all 12 slices running in parallel has now completed. So we do the 3D reconstruction, and I adjust some settings there, and we can see now the streamlines being generated. And just off the bat, we can see that there's some vertical coupling occurring, which is really good. Keep in mind, we've had 2D slices, and now we can see 3D effects by the recombination algorithm. It's not perfect. I can see there's some streamlines running through the roof solids, and it needs a little bit more refining, which I'll be working on. On top of that, we see this blue mesh in the model. That's supposed to represent the pressure. Now, currently the pressure units are in lattice units, so I still need to do the conversion and apply that back to the color map surface of the obstacle in the model. But all in all, it's looking extremely well and really good. Thanks for watching. See you soon.